The AGM G3 Pro versus the Cubot KingKong X Pro. In this video, I'll be comparing the specs of both devices side by side. They are both extremely powerful 5G rugged phones, and they are very durable as well. Both devices support IP68 and IP69K, and both are military grade standard 810H certified, which means they've been designed to be waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and to be able to survive extremely harsh environments. And the specs of these devices are actually very similar, but one of the advantages of the G3 Pro over the KingKong X Pro is the wireless charging support. The G3 Pro supports 18 watts wireless charging, so that's one of the advantages. It also has a super bright camping light. Anyway, let's just quickly compare the specs of both devices. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have you guys, the AGM G3 Pro versus the Cubot KingKong X Pro. Personally, I'd say both devices are really nice devices. The KingKong X Pro is a much more powerful device because it is powered by the Dimensity 8200 chipset, while the G3 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 7400 chip. So obviously the KingKong X Pro is a much more powerful device. But the AGM G3 Pro supports wireless charging. It has a super bright camping light. It ships with the Android 15 as opposed to the Cubot KingKong X Pro. Both devices have similar battery capacities, although the Cubot KingKong X Pro's battery is a little bit bigger, just a tiny bit bigger, 10,200 mAh, and that of the G3 Pro is 10,000 mAh. And another edge that the G3 Pro has over the Cubot KingKong X Pro is the fact that it supports thermal imaging. That's right, it has a thermal imaging camera. The Cubot KingKong X Pro does not. Anyway, you guys have seen the specs. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.